canoeists, Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide. It rained really hard last night. And I know as canoe trippers, as campers, we have heard that in the tent. It's woken us up and we've thought, oh boy, what about the fire? What about the tarp? So I wanted to take this opportunity to promote Jeff and I's Wilderness Canoe Tripping Skills Weekend this October 3rd and 4th, 2026. And that's going to give you the opportunity to make a morning like this not that big a deal, because you'll have the hands-on opportunity from two Maine guides to learn how to set up a tarp, secure a fire pit, the firewood, gather enough that you know you can cook with it that night and the next morning when it looks like this. And it's going to give you a chance to learn how to cook over an open fire. Real food, okay? There's two types of food on a wilderness canoe trip. There's real food and there's dehydrated. And I can hear you guys saying, oh, the dehydrated has come a long way. And that's true. But they're all chasing real food. So why not learn how to cook out here over an open fire, cut out the middleman, usually a corporation, and give yourself a super valuable skill out here that enhances a river trip like nothing else. Me personally, I could never do it. I couldn't look at the meat that looked like croutons. I couldn't eat a 600 calorie meal for dinner. That's almost nothing when you're on a canoe trip. I just couldn't do it. And for me as a guide, cooking is the one thing that I never had to work on. I could always just do it. So we're going to give you that opportunity and totally change the game for you. Come join us October 3rd and 4th, 2026. If you would like to leave with a better J-stroke than you arrived with, and you want to learn how to set up a nice, cozy wilderness canoe camp, and you want to learn how to set up a rock solid tarp system so that if it rains, it's not the end of the world. You can still cook, you can still socialize underneath a tarp, sitting around a campfire, and the campfire is safe from rain. If you want to learn all that and have two Maine guides for the weekend, come join us.